In this video, we will be talking about getting a free SSL certificate for your website. We will be getting this free certificate from Cloudflare, and the good thing is that the Cloudflare certificate is completely free for lifetime, which means you do not need to renew it every year. Also, implementing the Cloudflare SSL is a very easy process. You do not need to install any WordPress plugin, or you do not need to install any script on any kind of website. Whether your website is on WordPress or on any other platform, you can easily integrate the Cloudflare SSL certificate. But before we proceed, you should check with your web hosting company whether they are providing you free SSL certificate or not. Because most of the web hosting companies nowadays provide free SSL certificate. For example, in my case, Namecheap is my web hosting company and they provide me free SSL, but there are some limitations. For example, free SSL is limited to 50 domains only and it is only for the first year. But if you are a heavy user like me, then chances are that you have used all your free SSL quota, or you have only one website, only one domain, and you have already availed free SSL for the first year. So now if you're in the second year, chances are that your host is saying you to buy an SSL for your domain, but you do not need to buy any SSL certificate. Using this method, you are going to get an SSL certificate for free. Now, coming back to the tutorial, as I said, we will be using Cloudflare for getting our free SSL certificate. In this tutorial, we will be using an example domain, which is rajgroups.net. As you can see, there is no SSL certificate installed on this domain. Now, we will be adding this domain to Cloudflare and we'll be installing SSL certificate on this domain. In the first step, you need to sign up for an account on Cloudflare. Now, since I am already an existing user, I will simply log into to my Cloudflare account. Yeah. Once you are signed up and logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On the dashboard, click on Add a Site. Here, you mention the domain for which you want to avail the free SSL certificate. Remove all the slashes and www and everything. Just mention the domain. Now click on Add Site. Cloudflare will now show you all its existing plans, but you do not need to think about these plans. Simply go and click on free and continue. After you have clicked on continue, Cloudflare will be scanning your domain and it will fetch all its existing DNS values. Check confirm if you want to and click on continue. Now Cloudflare will show you two domain name server entries. So what you need to do now, you need to remove the existing domain name servers, which are these ones, and you need to add new name servers, which are these ones. You can simply click to copy and go to your domain provider. In my case, it's Namecheap again. And in the DNS, custom DNS, I will add the name servers that Cloudflare has provided me. First one and second one. That's it. Now, if you are on other, other domain registrar, the process of adding name server might be different. In case you are confused about it, simply go on Google and search how to add name server to GoDaddy or whatever your domain registrar is. Once you have added the new name server to your domain, click on confirm. Once it is done, come back to your Cloudflare dashboard and click on Done. Cloudflare will show you some further settings which save. Yes, we want automatic HTTPS rewrite, so we'll save this account, this setting. Always use HTTPS. Yes, we will save this setting. Optimize performance. Yes, I want to optimize performance. Depending on what kind of website you're creating, you might want to use the cache services that are being provided by Cloudflare. If you're not sure about this, you can also skip these settings. Brutally compression. Yes, save. It will now show you summary of the settings that you have chosen. Click on finish. Okay. So once you're done, Cloudflare will, ask you to check the name servers, whether the new name servers that you added are, propagated or not. Click on check name servers. So Cloudflare will show you that, it is now checking the name servers and you need to wait a few hours for an update. So in this case, what would happen once the name servers are updated? Cloudflare will send you a confirmation email. Once you get the confirmation email, go back to your domain and check whether SSL is activated or not. Now it's already 15 minutes since I added my domain to Cloudflare. And in my Cloudflare, now it's showing a message. Great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. So what I will do, I will go back to my domain and I will check. So now you can see the free SSL has been activated for this domain. Now, in this case, it happened within 15 minutes, but in some cases, it might take a lot more time. For example, if you are not in United States, the domain name propagation might take somewhere between 24 to 48 hours. So in that case, if you want to check whether the SSL has been implemented properly or not, what you can do, you can simply use some VPN plugin and set your computer's VPN to United States, and then you check your domain, and if everything is fine, then it should be showing you that your SSL certificate has been installed. So thank you very much, guys. That was about installing free SSL certificate on your website. If you like the video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Thank you very much.